Welcome to our in-depth review of the Blackview Tab 12 Pro. Design and build. The Tab 12 Pro features a 10.1-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. Its metal casing gives it a premium feel, and at 430 grams, it's lightweight and comfortable to hold. Display. The IPS panel offers decent viewing angles and color reproduction. However, the lack of an ambient light sensor means brightness must be adjusted manually, which can be inconvenient, especially in varying lighting conditions. Performance. Powered by the Unisoc D606 octa-core processor, coupled with 8 GB of RAM, expandable via virtual memory, the Tab 12 Pro handles basic tasks like web browsing and media playback adequately. Cameras. The tablet sports a 13MP rear camera and an 8MP front-facing camera. While sufficient for video calls and occasional photos, image quality is average, with issues like overexposure and lack of detail in low-light conditions. Battery life. Equipped with a 6,580 mAh battery, the Tab 12 Pro offers decent battery life, lasting through a day of moderate use. Connectivity. One of the standout features is dual 4G SIM support, allowing for mobile data connectivity on the go. Additional features include Bluetooth 5.0, GPS with a GPS support, and a microSD slot for storage expansion up to 1 TB. Overall, the Blackview Tab 12 Pro is a solid choice for users seeking a budget tablet with mobile connectivity and decent build quality. Thank you so much.